Hello everyone, in front of me is OUKITEL WP20 and let me show you how to activate developer options. At first open the settings, then find and select About Phone. Now locate build number and tap on it 7 times. Then draw an unlock pattern if you have one, and as you can see from now on you're a developer, so just let's go back and now enter the system. Here you will notice developer options. Click to open. You can customize them, actually not customize them, but use them however you like, and then customize your device with those options. And whenever you want to turn the developer panel off, just unmark the stop switcher. And that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.